Hi everyone, this is DRJ Creation. Today we are going to see a specific topic in grammar, that is adjectives. Adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of beings of noun. Means the words that describes the qualities of states. Examples of these are enormous, dog-like, silly, yellow, fun and fast. They can also describe the quality of noun. Means this can also describe the quality of noun. Examples are many, few, million and 11. Adjectives modify noun. Most students learn that adjectives are words that modify or describes noun. Means most students will learn about the adjectives, that the words which will modify or describe noun. But adjectives do not modify verbs or adverbs or other adjectives. Example is my cake should have 16 candles. In this sentence above, the adjectives are easy to support because they come immediately before the noun or they modify. But adjectives can do more than just modify noun. Means adjectives can do more than just modifying nouns. They can also act as complement to linking verbs or verb to be. A linking verb is a verb like to feel, to seem or to taste that describes the states of beings or scenery experience. Means the linking verb is a verb which is used to feel, seem or taste. Examples are the cow sure is happy. Next example is it smell gross in the locker room. And the next example is driving is faster than walking. The technical terms for the adjective used in these ways is predicate adjective. Degrees of comparison. Adjective comes in three forms, meaning adjectives can come in three forms. They are absolute, comparative and superlative. Absolute adjectives are nothing but which describe something in its own way. Examples are a cool guy, a messy desk and a mischievous cat. Superlative adjective indicate that something has a highest degree of quality in question. Meaning superlative adjectives are something which indicate something in an highest degree. Example is the most mischievous cat and the coolest guy. Next, coordinate adjectives. Coordinate adjectives should be separated by comma or a word and. Meaning the coordinate adjective which is used should be separated by a comma or a word and. Adjectives are said to be coordinate if they modify the same noun in a sentence. If the adjective is being coordinate, they are said to be noun in the sentence. This is going to be a long and cold winter. This is the example for coordinate adjective. But just the fact that two adjectives appears next to each other doesn't automatically mean they are coordinate. Sometimes an adjective and a noun from a single semantic unit which is then modified by another adjective. In this case, the adjectives are not coordinate and should not be separated by comma. In this case, the adjective should not be separated by comma. Examples are my cat loves sleeping on the tattered woolen sweater. No one could open the old silver locket. This is also another example. Another way to test for coordinate adjective is to try switching the orders of adjectives and seeing if the phrase still works. In the second sentence, you would also say that no one could open the silver old locket, because you can reserve the orders of the adjective because silver locket is a unit that is modified by old. Thank you. I think this video is informative. If you like it, do subscribe.